In the last two modules, we talked about the backstory of Mommy N's 5-step process to start your own business. Yes, it was my story, but it is also what will give context to each of the steps so that you can learn them better. So if you skip them, I'd suggest that you go back and watch them. This is because we will be referencing a lot of the stories as we move forward. Okay? So, here is an overview of the way you can start your business. As mentioned, it's a 5-step process. I want to use a triangle as the image to represent your journey. In this triangle, we start our journey from the lowest and the widest part to the topmost, which is the narrowest. In this triangle, you can see that the foundation is the business calling. Now, this is the step 1. It is at the base of the triangle because it should be the foundation of all of your business attempts. You see, when the foundation is shaky, everything falls down. This is why you've got to get this right. Once you get your business calling right, you can now go to the next step, which is ideal customers or clients. Again, it is only when you get to know who your ideal customers or clients are that you can proceed to the next step. The third step will be product or service. Each step will be more important than the one above it. This is because each step is the foundation of the one above it. This means that you have to get the one below correctly before you are to proceed to the next one. Make sense? Great. Now, let's talk about them step by step in the succeeding modules.